Hi, I'm LA County Supervisor Janice Hahn, and I want to welcome you to today's workshop. I know that big transportation and development projects aren't just good news for residents, they're good news for local construction companies who can bid on these projects. But for too long, contracting opportunities have been out of reach for many small businesses like yours who don't have the resources to devote to getting through what can be a complicated process. For years, I've been a champion of breaking down these barriers and giving you the support you need to compete with bigger companies and to win contracts. One of the challenges smaller businesses like you have faced is bonding, which is required of all LA County procurement. If you don't have experience with bonding, it could take years to get bonded on your own. That is why we have launched this virtual workshop series. LA County has recruited experts who are going to walk you through the process of obtaining a completion bond, and they will link your small business with subcontracting opportunities so you can start doing work with LA County right away. I hope you will all find today's workshop informative and helpful. Thank you for your interest in partnering with LA County, and I hope to work with you and your business very soon.
Again, bonding is much like credit. And it's a three-party agreement. It's an agreement between the contractor, otherwise known as the principal, the bonding company, and the obligee, the person to whom is requiring a bond. So that may be the public agency owner, or that may be a prime contractor. So the program will help you obtain your first bond or help you increase your bonding capacity. The program in and of itself is about capacity building, providing that to you through technical services, bonding, contract financing.
Why get certified? Small business certifications are similar to professional certifications. They document a status that may help you compete in the marketplace.
You might be wondering then, where do I begin? If you go on metro.gov2g.com, metro.gov2g.com, this is where you can access the online application. And we strongly encourage you that if there's any questions or additional information that you need regarding the certification, go ahead and send an email to our colleagues in the certification unit.
Los Angeles County Public Works is one of the largest public works agencies in the nation with a workforce of 4,000 employees and an annual budget of $3.7 billion.
That's the first step for doing business with any county department. You have to first become a county vendor. Do some research, look at the different programs, and then see which one your business would qualify for. We have local and small business enterprises, and we have disabled veteran business enterprises and social enterprises. And we have preference programs that are built around those three. So on our website, you're going to see all the opportunities that are open or upcoming.
So in order to even land a contract, you're going to need to know where to look, and that's dobusinesswithpublicworks.com.
If you have gotten any other questions, feel free to reach out